Are we on the air? Are we on the air?
Yeah. Hey y'all, welcome back. Or if this is your first time, I'm Frederica. Nice to meet you. So if you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting for? I be dropping these videos and they be having so much information in them. Like I travel, I do new experiences. Like, what are you waiting for to subscribe? I'll give you some time. Let me give you a few seconds. All right, cool. And make sure you hit the bell notification too so you can be notified of next week's video. We are going to the gun range. Y'all, I've never been to the gun range before, so this is definitely a new experience. And when I tell you guys, wait till you guys see how great I did. I think I did amazing, but you guys will be the judge. And you can comment down below and let me know how I did. See, I've never been to a gun range before, so because of that, we're bringing Charles along with us, and he's gonna, make sure we don't hurt anybody in the building and kind of like show us the ropes. Charles is my frenemy, and he's like my arch nemesis. Like, I'm Batman and he's Joker. Let's just get into the video and see how this goes, because I'm scared. I'm sorry.
You would have listened to me.
What were you?
Said we were supposed to come early.
Charles, weren't you late though? Weren't you late?
3 o'clock?
What time did you get here?
What do you mean?
I'm saying you said get here at 3 o'clock, but what time were you here?
Got here at 3:20.
So daylight savings time,
But I wanted
or?
to come earlier. Did you miss
But
that?
you did make 3 though. Okay.
Did you miss?
Which gun?
It's a 9, so the 9 is like this.
Okay. So you've been here before?
No, I haven't. I just know the 9. Like 1 plus 8 is
Okay.
9.
Take off your earrings for when you put on your because you want them to completely cover your ears, otherwise you're gonna hear everything.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's smart.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. All right. It's about to go down, guys.
No.
Are you nervous?
No, of course not.
No loaded firearms beyond this point.
Right.
I'm really scared. Like, no. Are y'all scared right now? Because I feel like I'm watching a scary movie. Your girl was really nervous. Like, I was really nervous. Like, this was no act.
The same caliber game.
I know what I'm doing. Oh, you can put it back as far as you want to. You want it back that far?
I mean, it depends on how far you can shoot. You think you can aim that far?
Yeah, I do.
Just make sure you have the steering good. Hold it like that.
Wait, what? Say it a little louder.
Just have a steering grip.
Okay.
Yeah. And then
I can't do all that. I need to stick to the regular. So okay, can you go over that one more time? I'm sorry. And like, how do I? How do I, like, you know the thing you do right before?
I'm gonna copy that for you.
Oh, okay.
Damaging stuff.
You don't trust me?
It's been a while since I saw that. Alright, but that's great.
I'm not ready, but here we go.
This should be interesting, right? Someone that don't know how to work a gun. Now, ladies and germs, as you can see, she's holding it all wrong. Look at this stance. Like, let's pause this for a second, right? She really thought she was gonna hit something. Did she just wipe off the bullet? She tried to wipe off the bullet like she spilled food.
Okay, maybe I didn't do as good as I thought. I mean, in my defense, I mean, no, you can't really wipe off a bullet, but I mean, let's get back to the video. So I'm just at the range trying to get my Call of Duty on, and then in walks Waka Flocka. Like, super random. Super random. Well, we're leaving, guys. We're finished. Me and Waka Flocka are best friends. So, Charles, you want to tell the people what you got going on? And
Yeah, I got my podcast, Kimber and Friends. You can look it up on SoundCloud.
I'll put the
Lovely.
link. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
And got some music out there. But just follow me on Instagram, Bossman Kimber. That's Bossman_KIMBER. You know what I mean? Just follow me and we can work it out. You know what I mean? One thing I want to say about Frederica.
Okay, see, this is where it's at. This is where things are gonna go wrong. But before he says that, Frederica from America, look at the flag, y'all. They already know. All right, what were you about to say that was rude?
Nothing. I don't even know. Like, that was just. I feel like today was pretty good. She got to shoot the gun for the first. This is like so random. Seeing Waka Flocka, like that was just random.
That was actually.
That was really random because like the fact that. It's on the north side. I don't know. It's just weird. It's just random.
So wait, before we don't get a certificate, or am I licensed to carry now?
No, you have to go to the probate court to be licensed to carry. It's a process. You have to get fingerprinted, and then you have to pay. Go from there. They got to see your license out. You can buy a gun, but when you get pulled over, you're not licensed to carry. Guess where you're going, bad boy.
All right, guys, and there you have it. Frederica will not be getting the gun anytime soon. I will be returning to the gun range because it was fun. Like I said, I was a little nervous, but I think if I go again, I won't be as nervous. Also, let me say that Waka Flocka is so cool. Like, he didn't have to take that picture or anything like that. So, shout out to Waka Flocka. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification so you see what I get into next week. Bye, guys.
Anyways, like shrimp fried rice.
I apologize on his behalf.